Hello children, welcome back to grade 4 Computer Digital Learning Platform. Children, here I am back with the new topic storage and memory devices. Let's understand learning outcome of today's class. We are learning to know about storage and memory devices. Let's understand what are data and information. We need to enter certain set of characters and instructions into the computer to make it work. This set of characters like alphabets, digits or special characters that represent facts or figures known as data. When this data is processed by the processing unit, that is CPU, it is known as information. Therefore, we can say data is unorganized facts and processed data is known as information. Children, you should remember that unprocessed data is meaningless, but when such data is organized and converted into meaningful information, it becomes useful. Let's consider one example from our day-to-day life. Think that your father bought cloth from the market and gave it to the tailor to stitch a kurta pajama out of it. In this example, cloth can be considered as data and kurta pajama can be considered as information. The cloth in its raw form is not useful until it gets converted into some dress. Children, let's take one more example in context to the computers. Your class teacher wants to find the highest and lowest scorer of your class. For this, she inputs marks scored by each student in all the subjects in the computer and gives the required instruction to it. In turn, computer displays the highest and lowest scorer of the class. Here, marks that were fed into the computer represent data and the result returned by the computer, that is highest and lowest rankers, represents information. Let's understand about data storage units. Whatever we feed into the computer gets converted into a machine understandable code called machine code. A computer can understand only two states, on represented by 1 and off represented by 0. These two digits 0 and 1 are called binary digits or bits. The data is stored in the computer memory in the form of bits and is measured in bytes. Children, hope you understood about the bits. Now let's understand about the bytes in detail. Data storage units, memory size. Children, bit means it is 0 or 1. A group of 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1 KB. 1024 KB is equal to 1 megabyte, 1 MB. 1024 MB is equal to 1 gigabyte, 1 GB. 1024 GB is equal to 1 terabyte, 1 TB. 1024 TB is equal to 1 petabyte, 1 PB. 1024 PB is equal to 1 exabyte, 1 EB. 1024 EB is equal to 1 zettabyte, 1 ZB. 1024 ZB is equal to 1 yottabyte, 1 YB. Children, these are the data storage units. Hope you understood this. Bit, byte and KB, MB, GB, TB, PB, EB, ZB, YB. Let's end our session with a home play. Read and write the given new words and memory units in the computer notebook. The new words are data, memory, information, device, alphabets, digits, represent, storage, byte, bit, measure, units, instructions. Memory units, Here are the memory units in the table. Hope you will write these two in your computer notebook. Thank you.